oh, this is cute. Other people think it's cute too. Those are not that's not any way to make a decision to bringing something to market. You really want to have some data and some validation ahead of time. So we talk a lot about testing and the validation. We look at numbers, we look at whatever data Amazon will give us, but it can be all over the place sometimes. I mean, it's not super accurate always. And that's out of our hands. However, being able to see what has sold that we've listed, that's data that's valuable. And we can learn from that. And to not have any costs involved to gather that data, that's pretty sweet. Okay. I get this question all the time. Which book, what size should I do? I don't know. But guess what? What does it cost you to do both? Why not? We don't think that way naturally in this business. And so there is a lot of mind shift. And when you can have that mind shift, it's like, oh my gosh, why wouldn't I? Even if I just was thinking 8.5 by 11, why wouldn't I do a 6x9 book? Or maybe I'll try a square 8.5 by 8.5. Why not? Because it's not costing me anything. I've already done most of the work. I already have my covers and my interior pages. I might have to adjust them a little bit, but why not? And really test. And so there's so much opportunity for that. And we can learn a lot. One of the things you kept saying on the webinar, Stephen, was earn while you learn. And so that's what's super cool about this, is that you are able to, as you're learning and gathering and learning the process too, you can earn. You're not spending.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. My name is Steven. This is my brother Nathaniel. Together we are the Wingman.
If you guys want to know more about anything that we talked about, check the description of this video.